Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming Live Server is installed and your project folder is open. This saves clicks later. Once done, open the file you want to preview, then press Ctrl+Shift+P and type Live Server. Open with Live Server to launch the default browser. Make sure the editor window is active so Live Server picks the correct route. If you prefer a specific workspace route, right-click the folder and choose Open in Integrated Terminal before continuing. Next, change the browser by editing Live Server settings. Open Settings, search for Live Server. Settings, custom browser, and set the value to a browser keyword such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge so Live Server targets that app. You can also switch to JSON view for precision. Add Live Server. Settings, custom browser, Chrome in Settings, JSON to lock it in. Once saved, restart Live Server. This ensures the extension relaunches with the new choice and opens pages in the selected browser. Finish by applying advanced options. If your system needs it, provide the full executable path in custom browser to avoid ambiguity. Also check Live Server. Settings. No browser is false so pages open automatically, and verify your workspace route points to the right folder. If the chosen browser still doesn't appear, restart VSCode and relaunch Live Server. If that fails, clear the browser cache or use the full path string in Settings. JSON. One key troubleshooting tip. Confirm the browser name exactly matches Live Server's accepted keywords.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.